Okay. So the day one, the session will be into the about IT. IT is nothing but informational technology. I think you know about that. And coming to IT, we are having three different types of companies. The first one we are going to call it as product based company. Second one we are going to call it as service, and the third one we are going to call it as both. Okay. So here the product based companies, service based companies, and both. What is the main difference between these? Okay. So here these things will definitely work for Scrum Master because here in service based companies, people we have less opportunities for the Scrum Master. Our main target is product based companies and the both. Okay. Why product based companies? Why? Because as a Scrum Master, this role has been introduced in Agile methodology. Okay, so before going into here, I will write some more things. Waterfall methodology and Agile methodology. Okay, so we are having these two methods. You can ask me another question like Manoj, we have only these two? Absolutely not. The first one is called waterfall methodology. After waterfall methodology, we are having some different types of methodologies also. We can say like a V model, and some other different models or different methodologies also is there. But those are not popular methodologies, and no one work in those type of methodologies. The first one is most popular, waterfall. After waterfall, we are working on Karthik came and he left. But okay, we will jump into the topic. Right. Firstly, it's waterfall methodology, and the second one is agile methodology. In between these two, we have some other, but those are not popular. Okay. After waterfall, we are using agile methodology. Coming to here, previously we are having in waterfall methodology, we are having these three types. In agile methodology, we are having these three types. But coming to the product-based companies, in waterfall methodology, to develop a product, okay, it is going to take lot of time. Why? What is the main reason? Okay, we will look into that whenever we learn waterfall methods. But if you are thinking about we are mainly thinking about agile methodology, right? In agile methodology, the people mainly focus on product based companies. Okay, we are going to get service also, but it is like a rarely. If you give interviews for 10 companies, in that 10 companies, the service based companies will be one or two. Okay, coming to product based companies, here give me a second guys. Hi, Pratik. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hi Pratik. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes. May I know where are you from, Pratik?
Yeah, I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Warangal,
Vadodara, Gujarat.
Gujarat, Vadodara.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay. Please, I mean, are you working, Pratik?
Yes, I'm having almost 14 years of experience in QA.
Hmm?
QA, software QA.
Okay. Okay. You are into QA. Like
Yeah,
yeah, as
yeah,
a tester, right?
yeah, right.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Your services will be useful for us.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can mute yourself, Pratik. Okay, whenever you have
Yeah,
a doubt,
sure.
you can raise your hand. Okay, you can ask your
Sure.
doubts.
Yeah,
Right.
thank you.
Yes. Just we have started. That's it. Okay. Right. So this is the product-based companies, service and both. Right. In the product-based companies, we are mainly focusing on development only. We are mainly focusing on only developing the product. Okay. We are not giving any um, services or anything. Coming to the service-based companies, here also we are giving service only, but not only the service. Just consider, just consider here, we have developed a version of the first version, and we move to service-based company, and the service-based company is holding that developed project. Okay, that developed project we are giving service, and we can't able to give the whole life uh, for the same service. Why? Because we need some upgradations. For that upgradations, whatever the product is there, we need to do some changes, some modifications, like yearly modifications, quarterly modifications, half-yearly modifications. We do these type of things. In service-based also, we are going to have some sort of development as well. But coming to both, the both are like we do development and service. Okay, in development and service, we do both. Okay, and these are like a top-notch companies, like MNCs. We can say like a TCS, Wipros. These companies will definitely give both. Manoj, I have seen my company is not MNC, but my company is giving both. Yes, we can see some sort of companies, but um, we can't able to get like a huge projects for them. If you consider TCS, HDFC, SBI, these type of projects, like $1 million project. But you can say like Manoj, my company is like a XYZ company. Uh, can we have that type of projects? No, there is like a trust. Okay, TCS is one of the biggest organizations which can handle or which can keep like a few more people to handle a project. But coming to the XYZ company, in that company might have like a 1,000 people or 2,000 people. To have a service for that SBI or any HDFC, we need like a 10,000 people. For that, the recruitment is we have to recruit the people at that time. It is not going to take care of. So that is the main reason the service-based companies or the both the project will go for this type of companies for the MNCs companies. Any doubts up to here, guys? Redappa, Abhishek, Kumar, Pratik.
No, Manoj. I'm pretty good.
No.
No. Okay. Pratik, no, right? Abhishek, I can't able to hear your voice. Abhishek.
Yeah, it's fine. No problem.
Okay. See, my class should be like an interactive. Okay. And Redappa, I can't able to hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Manoj. Just I came outside actually. Sorry. Because of that, like I'm in mute.
Oh, okay. Please keep it on mute. But whenever I try to ask you, you have any doubts or not, if you have a
Okay.
doubt, just raise your voice. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Okay. Yeah.
else
I will
in
do that.
between also, no problem with that. So Manoj is explaining something. If I ask, he might feel. I mean, the recording will be get stopped. So no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ask me your doubt in the middle of the in the middle. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Right. So this is the thing. Previously, we need to know about this idea. Okay. So coming to Scrum Master roles. In Waterfall, we don't have Scrum Master. That is for 100% sure. In Agile methodology only, we can see Scrum Master. Okay, Manoj, you are saying no Scrum Master role here. So what are the roles are there in Waterfall methodology? I can say that the first one is business analyst. Second one is project manager. Third one is manager. The fourth one is developer. The fifth one is tester, tester or QA. We can say anything. Okay. And for the deployment, we can have DevOps team as well. Some cases we have DevOps, some cases we don't have DevOps. Okay. These are the things we have in waterfall methodology. These are the roles. Manoj, Scrum Master is not there. How the projects went? It's completely different, Andy. It's completely different compared with waterfall to agile. Okay, agile methodology is a rapid development. Okay, agile methodology is a rapid development. Rapid development is nothing but it's like a cheetah. It's like a leopard. The project will flow like a cheetah and leopard. Coming to waterfall methodology, whatever the things we are having, it will flow. Okay, it will flow, but we can't say that it is like a cheetah or anything. Whatever the time period we are having, at that time period only, we can have the project. Okay, let's look into waterfall methodology. Sorry, let me have paint. So we are going to learn about the waterfall methodology. So this is the thing. Just in case, this is the waterfall. Okay, guys, this is the waterfall. It has been started here and it has been ended here. Okay, let me remove this once. Okay, in the hill stations, we can see the waterfall flow from top to bottom. Am I right or wrong, guys? The water will flow from top to bottom, right? Have anyone seen water flows like this? Flow like this and stop somewhere and flow like this, stop, flow, stop and flow like this. Have anyone seen like this? Unmute yourself, guys.
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
No one has seen that, right? Because it is not natural. It is not natural. In waterfall, we can't get this gap. Okay? We can't get this gap. It is like a continuous flow. It will flow like this. We can't get the gap like this. Okay? So this is a major thing we can see. Okay? Waterfall, waterfall is a linear sequential life cycle model. Okay? Waterfall is a linear sequential life cycle model. That is the reason I have drawn a sketch. I have drawn a figure like this. It is flowing from top to bottom. How it is flowing from top to bottom without having any project? Yes. If we have a project, right? If we have a project, this flow will be in a such a way that in SDLC model. SDLC. This is very, very, very important. Without SDLC, we can't start the project. Okay. Without SDLC, we can't have a project. SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle. Software development life cycle. Okay. And we are having another thing also, software testing life cycle, STLC. Okay, software testing life cycle. But we are not using this software testing life cycle. We are mainly focusing on development. Okay. I don't want to discuss for the testing life cycle. let us discuss about the development life cycle. In the development life cycle, the first one is called requirement analysis. Okay. The second one is design. The third one is development. The fourth one is testing. Okay. The fifth one is deployment. And the sixth one is maintenance. Okay. So these are the six phases. We are going to call these six as phases. Okay. Let me write it here. Six phases. Okay. In SDLC also we are having the six phases. Okay. No problem in that. What are these six phases? How we are using these six phases? This is the main catch. Okay. By using these things only, we are developing the project. Okay. Let me keep it here. These six. Okay. So these are the six things, right? So by using these six phases, we are developing the project base. Okay. How we are developing the project? So initially, the first phase is called the requirement analysis. What is this project, Andy? This project is called Waterfall. We are doing this project in Waterfall methodology. Okay, let me write it here. Uh, Let me take it. Waterfall methodology. We are doing a project in Waterfall methodology, and just consider the project name is Amazon. Okay, the project name is Amazon. Initially, to start a project, okay, whenever we want to start a project, we need some requirements. Okay, just consider we are about to start a house. We are about to build a house. Okay, we want to start. We want to construct a house. Construct a house. What we need? We need some raw material. Raw material in the sense cement, stones, bricks, right? Iron, है ना? So these are the things we need to build a house. Not only this, we need some other requirements also, but these are some of the basics. To start a project, we need some requirements. So that is called the first phase. In IT, the requirements we are going to get these requirements from the where we are getting from the requirements, we are getting requirements from the business analyst. Business analyst will give the requirements. Okay. After getting the requirements, we are going to have a design phase. In design is nothing but we are constructing a house, right? Previous example. To construct a house, what we need? We need some designs. Who is going to design our house? That is called architect, right? Here also we are having architect, but we are calling him as system architect. System architect. Okay. Now the third one is developer, dev, and the fourth one is tester, nothing but QA. Coming to the deployment, we are having DevOps team. Okay, DevOps team will keep the project in live. Live is nothing but what we are seeing here. Okay, whatever the project we are seeing here, just consider Amazon, right? I can see Amazon. Okay, this is called the live project. Okay, if I type something, I want to see this. Okay, I just typed something, I got something. Okay, this is not the correct way. Okay, whatever I type, if I want to type Amazon, so the project should come. That is called live. If I search something, if I don't get that, so that project is not there in Google. That is not live. Okay, did you understood? Did you understood, guys? Redappa?
Yes, mm.
Yes. Abhishek? Redappa, did you understood? Okay, yeah, you said you are in now. Okay, Ganesh?
Yes, yes, yes. I understood.
Okay, okay, sounds good. Right. Here, maintenance. Maintenance also will be taken care by all the team, like a developer plus QA. Dev plus QA. Okay, these guys are going to take care of. Okay, coming to the coming to the design phase. Now, these requirements will be written by whom? Basically, business analyst. This business analyst will write the requirements. Okay. Now we will come here. Manoj, you said that this is the diagram of waterfall methodology. How it works? Initially, to start a project in waterfall methodology, we need to have 100% of requirement. Okay. If we have the 100 percentage of requirements only, we can start the project. Manoj, you said only the first phase. Yes, I said only about the first phase. If we have 100% requirements of the first phase, then only we can start the project. What if we have 99 percentage? No. What if we have 99 percentage? No, we are not starting the project. Why, Manoj? The reason behind is in waterfall methodology, we can't accept the mid changes. Okay? In the middle of the project, we can't accept the changes. So that is the main reason we are not encouraging to start the project without having 100 percentage of requirements. If we have 100 percentage of requirements only, we are starting the project. Now I am having the 100 percentage of requirements. Now what I am doing is I am starting the project. Okay, right. After completing requirements, what is my second phase? Second phase is design. Design is also we have to do 100 percentage. Manoj, is there any option for 99 percentage? No, there is no option. Don't keep it in your mind. Okay, to have a 99 percentage. If we have 100 percentages of requirements only, we are going to start the project. If we have the 100 percentage of design, we are starting the project. Why? Because we are not accepting the mid changes in the middle of the project. Manoj, I didn't get you. What does it mean by middle of the project? Means after 6 months, after 7 months, if there is any changes, okay, if there is any changes, we can't able to rebuild that. So that is the main reason we don't accept mid changes. Okay. Now, after completing that, what we are doing, Andy? We are going for the third phase. The third phase is development. Here we are doing the development as well. Developers, here the developers will work. Okay. Here the developers will work for some period, like 100 percentage. After completing the developers, what we are doing, Andy? We are going for this fourth phase. What is the fourth phase? Fourth phase is nothing but fourth phase is nothing but QA. That is called testing. Tester will work for Tester will work in fourth phase. That is also 100 percentage. Okay, one by one. The first phase is completed, then only we are going for the second phase. Second phase is completed, then only we go for the third phase. After completing the third phase, we go for the fourth phase. Right? Like phase by phase, we are going to work in waterfall methodology. Did you understood up to here, or is there any doubts? Please raise your voice. Don't be mute. Unmute yourself and please explain. Please ask your doubts. If you don't have doubts, just unmute yourself and say I don't have any doubts.
Yeah, Manoj, no doubt.
Okay, I'll check.
Manoj, that means this waterfall methodology
Mhm.
is works under face to face, but each and every phase should be completed 100%. Then only it will move to next phase, right?
Yes, exactly.
If it is 99%,
We are not accepting the second phase.
who cannot accept?
The second phase people.
Okay, so correct. Second phase people. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
How do you know that? That is also one of the questions, right? How do
Correct.
you know that? Yes, you should get this type of a question, right?
That,
Here,
that means I want to ask you because that means in any organ, suppose if Amazon gives a project to TCS, but TCS
mhm,
is having all the six employees are there, business analyst is there, project manager, develop, tester, and DevOps. So all
mhm,
the teams
mhm.
are available, right?
Yes, everyone will be available.
Okay, yes.
But I'm saying that no one is perfect. Okay? No one is perfect. Even me as well. No one is perfect. Okay?
Correct.
Because the technology is like a ocean. Yes, we are swimming in the in a border only. Okay, we need to learn lot of things also,
Correct.
right? So whatever the things as per the technology we are learning it. Okay, but as per the norms, the technologies are like a head. Lot of technologies, lot of implementations are okay. But as per this scrum, these are the 100 percentages for us. Okay, yes. In waterfall methodology, yes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. In waterfall methodology, we are having some documentations where we are getting these requirements. We are getting these requirements from some documentation. Okay. Same example, guys. Previously, I said some construction of a house, right? To construct a house, what we need some raw materials, right? Before raw materials, what we need a plot. Plot is nothing but 500 square feet or 1000 square feet. For that 500 square feet or 1000 square feet, we need some documentations, right? Without having any proper documentations, can we build a house? Ganesh?
No.
No. Pratik, what do you say? Can we build a house?
No, no.
No. Why? Why?
Uh, uh, because
That might
we
be
need
some
some
others,
we yeah, and we need
right?
base something base to build, right?
Yes, right? So
Yeah,
that should be on your name. If that property is yours, you can build
yeah,
whatever you want. But
right,
you can't able to build anything on another's properties, right?
right, yeah, right,
Yes. Here also the same thing. If we want to build a project, we need to have some documentation. That document is called as BRD document. Okay. This is like a full-fledged. Okay. This BRD document we call it as business requirement documentation. Business requirement document. Okay. This business requirement document will be handed over to business analyst. Okay. This is like 200 pages. Just consider this document. Just consider it's a PDF. PDF is 200 pages. Okay. 200 pages of document. 200 pages of documentation. Now, this documentation will given to business analyst. Now, what the business analyst will do? Bus- Business analyst will read this documentation. Okay, will read the documentation and he will ready the requirements. Manoj, I can't able to understand what is requirement. Requirement is nothing but it's a ticket. In Jira tool, we are working on that ticket. So just consider this is my Amazon project. Okay, we are having some tickets. That requirement is called as a ticket. That is another name for requirement. Ticket, user story, or requirement. Everything is same. Okay, I will teach you end to end how to write all these requirements, how to work on this Jira tool from scratch. Today also we are learning from scratch. Okay, now we are going to, sorry, business analyst, what the business analyst will do? Business analyst will read the document and he will prepare some requirements. Now, this document, if you give to developers to understand this documentation for the developers and testing team, it will take lot of time. Okay, it will take lot of time for this. For that reason, we have implemented another person that is called system architect. Okay, what is this system architect will do? System architect will take this documentation of 200 pages, okay, and he will read and he will write another documentation. He will modify that documentation and he will write another documentation. That is called FRD documentation, functional requirement document. Okay, he will write and he will design some uh, what we can say, he will design some screens. That screens are called as mock-up screens. See here, can you see this fridge, right? This is called a mock-up screen. You can see a mobile. This is called a mock-up screen, right? So you can see some candles, right? All these things are called mock-up screens. And he will design like this and he will write the descriptions of all the modules, okay, all the mock-up screens, and he will modify the documentation. It is going to be at around 120 pages. By seeing this documentation, the developers will understand what to develop. Development and testing team will understand what we are going to develop and what we need to develop. Okay, based on that, FRD, these two people will work. Okay, it will be little bit easy if you show or if you show apple to a kid and saying that this is apple, what he will do, he will learn like, okay, this is called an apple. If you show him grapes and saying that this is apple, what he will think? He might think that grapes are apple, right? What we are going to do, we are going to modify the things, right? We are modifying here. We are modifying the things and make sure that the developers and testers are getting the requirements clearly. Any doubts, guys, up to here? Pratik, Abhishek,
No, no.
No, no, good.
everything is good, right? Redappa,
Yeah, yeah, good.
Ganesh?
Yes, you are saying for that pages, na, it is for mandatory for 200 pages, 120 pages and all.
Ah, it's like depends upon the project, Ganesh.
Oh,
It's just an example. I will show you the documentations. Okay, I have BRD document and FRD document. No worries. Okay, I will show you in the future classes. Okay, it won't be like a 200 pages. My company document I have, but I can't able to show you that, right? My company document is around 320 pages around is there, right? The modified FRD document is around 80 pages is there, but I can't able to show you that. But I have some other documentations of completed projects. I will show you those, how it will be. Okay, the real time projects. Okay, right. Now the system architect has been modified the documentation, and that is called as mock-up skills. Very, very important. Those are called as key points. In interview, you can use these mock-up screens. Okay, mock-up screens, or we can call it as mock-up images also. These are the two things we can use it. Okay. Next thing is, right. We are completed 100 percentage. Okay. Everyone is working on 100 percentage. What's next? Yes. Now here, the major difference in waterfall and agile methodology is, if you come here, the requirements, the Amazon has to be developed for 2 years, has to develop in 2 years. Okay. Just consider it's a 2 years contract. Initial, right? So now the requirements we are written in 3 months. Now Pratik, just say me who is getting the salary here.
Uh, Everyone, I think, DA,
How?
architect, develop, everybody is
How?
getting salary.
See, the only requirements in the sense BA is working. No one is working, right?
Uh, okay.
How they will get the salary?
Uh, I mean, uh, if we have hired people for those roles, then
Exactly.
only requirement
If they
requirement for.
work or if they don't work. If they work or if they don't work, it's up to company. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
but the waterfall structure is like this. Previously, if we complete the first phase, if the first phase is completed, then only we are going for the second phase. Up to now what they're doing, they are playing cricket. Okay, no problem. 3 months they will play and they will get the salary of 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 3 lakh. After 3 months, what they are doing, the project moved to design phase. Now the design people is working, architect is working. Architect is working for 4 months. Now, for this 4 months, this business analyst is getting salary free. For the 7 months, past 7 months, these three people are getting salary free. Am I right or wrong? Abhishek,
Yes. Yes.
this is the process has been held previously. Okay, and one more point also. After completing the one phase only, we can develop the second phase. Okay, and coming to the third phase, for the design development, we are taking it around 8 months. Okay, 8 months. Coming to this testing phase, the testing has been done for 6 months. Can you calculate the time, guys? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 13, 13 means 19. Okay, 16, 13, 8. Okay, 19 in the sense we have 3 months left. Okay, that 3 months has been given to deployment. Total 2 years, right, guys? Total 2 years, right?
yes.
Now, my main question is, in these 2 years, the person who is the owner of Amazon, did he earn any money from this project?
No.
Why? Who said no?
Mm. I said
I means Pretty. Okay. Okay.
Synthetic predictor. Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Why
mean,
pretty?
uh, yeah, I mean that depends upon the payment agreement with client. That if they are accepting phase by phase and giving the money, then they will earn. Otherwise, if we need to do an end-to-end project, then they will give you money at the end. Right?
No, 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 no. That is a different thing. So my question is, so in these 2 years we have developed the project, right?
Right.
So this just consider this project budget is 100 CR.
Okay.
Okay. By the
Yeah.
end of the 2 years, by the end of the 2 years, um, this company is XYZ. Okay. Who
Okay.
is developing this project? Amazon. XYZ company is developing this project. XYZ company received 100 CR and worked for 100 CR for 2 months. Now my question is, this Amazon company owner client, did he earn
Yeah.
any 1 rupee from this project in these 2 years?
No.
No. Okay, you said no. Okay. Abhishek.
Yeah, project is live, right? So it's not live yet, right?
Sorry, project is live.
Not live yet, right? It's
It is
not
not
live
yet
yet.
live. Not yet
Yes.
live.
So then he didn't earn any money then.
Okay, he didn't earn money. Okay, why? Why he didn't earn money? So that is my question.
End product is not ready. To
Okay. Ganesh.
Actually, correct, but still he has not handed over, right?
Yes.
Okay, it is under process only. It is not at all handed over to the client. Okay, it is under
Yes.
process. It took 2 years. Okay,
Uh-huh.
but Amazon, that crew, whatever that crore we are saying, na, that budget,
Uh-huh.
the 2 months he will deduct, na, before.
Ganesh, we are getting echo, Ganesh. Your voice is completely breaking.
He is having directly is not getting, but hello,
Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, yes. I'm listening.
hello,
Yes,
but
Ganesh, go ahead.
he is having a money. That he is
Okay.
having a money.
Mhm. No, my question is, Ganesh. See, uh, this is me. Amazon owner is me. Okay, just consider myself. Manoj is the owner of Amazon company. Okay, Ganesh? Ganesh,
Yes,
yes, I am the owner of Amazon. So I
yes,
have
yes.
only 100 CR. Okay, I have only 100 CR. No money is there in my hands. Only 100 CR. I have given 100 CR to XYZ company, and XYZ company developed this project for 2 years. Now, in these 2 years, Manoj earned
Correct.
any single penny or not? That is my question. If yes, why?
I think he is
If
not
no,
get the money.
no. You didn't get it?
No, I understood, but
Ah, okay. let me
I
let
can't
me
say
complete
actually.
this. Okay, no problem in that. Okay. You just tried. Okay, no problem in that. Well done, guys. You guys tried very good,
No,
very good.
I cannot say fully yes or no.
Okay, okay. It's completely no. 100% no. 0% yes. Okay. Why? Because I
Okay.
mean, Pratik said, Pratik or Abhishek said it is not in life. That's very good. I didn't remember who said that. It is not live because I just kept 100
yeah, I
CR.
said
Uh, okay, who is that? Abhishek.
yes.
Okay, okay, good Abhishek. The project is not yet live. Why? Because just completed. We haven't done the deployment to client as well. Okay, in the 2 months we have completed the project. Now what we have to do? We have to deploy this project. Deployment in the sense we have to keep this in live. Okay, if I keep the project in live, everyone will know that Amazon has been deployed into live. Whole India will know. Abhishek,
Yes.
how Pratik?
I mean, uh, it will be live and people will able to place their order right on
Okay,
Amazon.
okay. Got it, got it. I got your point. Okay, so I have developed a project called Manoj. Okay, I have developed a project called Manoj. Okay, now do you know a project named Manoj has been deployed into live?
No.
No. But you are saying Amazon. If I deploy Amazon into live, you can see it. How? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, you are right. I mean,
Right. Okay. I will. I again ask anything. Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up. Thumbs Up. Okay. Thumbs Up is not there up to now. Okay. Just
yeah.
came into the market. It has been live. How we know this Thumbs Up is a good product or a bad product?
I mean, uh, if they do some marketing or awareness to the
Very
people.
good. Very good. With celebrities, they will do marketing. Okay. Now the celebrities will do marketing. So here is the catch. Why the waterfall methodology is not getting success? Why to get a success in waterfall methodology, it is taking more time. Okay. Now I have a 100 CR. Okay. I have 100 CR. I'm not developing this project. Okay. I'm not developing this Amazon project. Now what I'm doing, I'm keeping this 100 CR into bank for FD, fixed deposit. Within 2 years, can I get like a 1 rupee? Okay. Can I get 1 rupee in 2 years?
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
Right,
What
right.
do you say?
Yes, it will add interest.
Yes, I can get 1 rupee, see, a single rupee I can get it, right? Huh?
Yeah.
If I keep 100 CR in here, can I get a single rupee?
No.
No, because it is waterfall methodology is a time taking process. Okay. After completing the project, after completing the project only, I can see my whole project. How is my project looking like? Before 2 years, I can't able to see my project. Okay. If a client want to see Amazon project, how it is very hard to check the project because we can see only the demo. We can't able to test in live. That is the main catch. So for that reason, what we are doing, guys, we jumped from waterfall to agile. Okay, to have a good thing. To develop a project rapidly. Okay. Now, just we will finish up this thing waterfall methodology. See here. Now, what we are doing after completing the 2 years, now I need to market the product. Okay. Now, what I'm doing, I will concern some heroes and heroines. Okay. And I'm not sure that Bollywood actors are giving ads, right? Some people, I don't know their names. I'm from South, guys. I don't know their names. Some people are giving ads, right?
Shahrukh
Um,
Khan, Salman Khan.
yeah, I know Shah Rukh Khan is there, but Shah Rukh Khan sir is not giving this ad, right? Amazon. No,
No, no.
woman is giving ad. I don't know her name. What is that movie name? Brahmastra movie. Heroine is there, na?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt, right. So she is giving ad, right?
Yeah.
Amazon or Flipkart, something. Okay. What I will do after 2 years, I will take my project and I will consult Alia Bhatt. Okay, Alia Bhatt, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, right? Whoever capturing the market, who are the great people of Bollywood. I will go to them and I will explain my project and I will give some revenue to them. Okay, I will give some revenue to them to promote my product. Now, my product will be promoted. Within 1 month, I get 100 CR if I promote with these guys. Ganesh,
No.
no, why? Because they are celebrities, right? See, if
Yeah.
uh, Salman Khan sir
No,
promote a
they are
product, I will definitely buy. But you are saying
correct.
no.
But all over actually
There is no
almost
guarantee, right?
get na. For that we need a distributor, for distributors, agencies.
Mhm.
So
Okay. You are saying about the distributors, agencies, all these things. Okay. Let me take
Yeah.
like for these things, 2 years plus that is for 6 months. All the distributors, whatever you said, everything has been done. Promotions has been done in 6 months. Now I have 0 rupees. Within 1 month, my products are getting sold. Can I get 100 CR in 1 month? Because lot of people are purchasing. Can I get 100 CR?
Not 100 here, but revenue may start, but not totally complete to the 100 here.
Yes. Firstly, what I need is I need customers, right? The ultimate goal is to attract the customers. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
correct.
Right. So I will get my revenue slowly, slowly, slowly. Revenue in the sense I'm not getting any profits. I'm getting my money back. Just to get promotions, all these things, it went to 2.6 years. Now, within 2.9 months, like in 3 months, I got 10 CR back. Okay, that is not profit. That is my payment. Okay, still I need 90 CR. To get this 90 CR, at least I need one year, right? Around 4 years.
Yes.
Around 4 years, I get my money back. Around 4 years, I got my money back. Still, did I get any profit?
No.
Nothing.
No.
No. Abhishek?
No, no.
No. Ganesh? Did I get any profit?
No, no,
No. I got my money back. That's it, right?
correct.
From the next moment,
Whatever
like a next,
investing,
sorry, uh, Ganesh, did you say something?
whatever we are investing, now that money
Yes, yes.
get
Whatever
back
I have
actually.
invested up to now, I got it back. From the next month onwards, I will get my profit. Okay? From the next month, like 4.1 month, I will get my profit. In the first to fourth month, I got like a 15 CR. Okay? That is my profit. Okay? That is my profit. So this is the basic structure of waterfall methodology in the previous days. To get a succeed. So just consider In these 4 years, my project has been succeeded. What if my project has been failed? That is also one point, right? What if it is failed? Pratik?
Uh, we'll lose the money.
Yeah, absolutely we lose the money. But what we do? We will sell the project, sell to some
Yeah,
other persons, like a
yeah,
25 percentage, 30 percentage of my investment. We will sell the project. Previously, it has been like that one.
yeah, right.
Okay, previously the projects are like that one. Now we moved to agile methodology, and agile methodology made completely different. Okay, it made everything completely different. If we want to have what we can say, uh, sorry, if we want to develop a project in agile methodology, we don't need to wait for 2 years. It is like a rapid development. Okay, I will explain those things in tomorrow session. I hope you understood this. Any doubts up to now? This is the waterfall method. Any doubts in here? Any silly doubt also ask. No problem. Pratik, Abhishek, Dinesh, sorry, Ganesh.
No,
Both,
no.
sir.
No doubts, right? Can I stop the recording?